Hello and welcome everyone. So before starting friends, I would like to introduce my team to you all. So we are Team Error. I Sejal Chaudhary along with my teammates Molly Shah and Mihir Parmar have created this amazing web development project which you can see on your screen. First of all, I would like to thank ACM SVNIT for providing us such a great opportunity to showcase our talent. Coming back to site, our site is basically a travel site named as Apna Safar. Apna Safar is a travel website which have been created by my team. For creating this website, we have used an online editor and considering the coding part, we have used HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. The very main thing about a travel website is the customization. Yes, you heard it right. We have given a customization form. We have given a link to a customization form to the user wherein they can customize their place, their trips. Like if somebody wants to have a regional tour, then they can go for that too. And if somebody wants to have only a hill station tour, then they can do that. We provide full freedom to the user to customize their trips on their own by filling a customization form. So I think this is unique and the most interesting part of our website. Okay, now friends, let's take a tour of Apna Safar. So this is basically our home page where you can see the header having different pages link, and on the top left corner we have a search panel wherein people can search the place where they want. Like let's suppose I search Mumbai, so they can search all over the page. Okay, now let's just scroll down a little bit. We see an overview. Yeah, here we have given a short intro about our website. This will let people know what the website is about. Especially the main highlighting point is Suhana Safar Apna Safar ke saath. Yes, right? Now next comes the banner which we have specially created to attract the clients towards our website. This will actually attract them to register. This will encourage them to register because this will contain offers every month. Okay, so here comes the registration form. We have to provide the personal details like name, email and the phone number. Okay, so this will simply register you. Now let's suppose I change the syntax of email. I write it as allaboutlearn.com. Now when I try to fill the form, this will show a pop-up that that email syntax is not correct. And now let's suppose I remove the Sejal Chaudhary part. And now let's suppose I remove the name. I remove the Sejal Chaudhary and I try to register. Now what will happen? This will again show an alert message. So these are the small technologies, small tools which we have used into our forms or into our website using HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. Now the main important highlight of our website is the customization form, which is right here. So this is our amazing customization form. Here people will have to simply check in the boxes of the places which they want to visit. Okay, like suppose somebody wants to go for a hill station tour, then they can simply check in the hill stations, different hill stations. Okay, also we have a other field here where people can write the place which may have not been included into the check boxes. Okay, like I suppose write Pali. Okay, and then they can simply click on the submit button. This will submit their form. And now after this, every detail like accommodation, nights, days of travel, landmarks, everything will be given to the user on their email address, on their registered email address. So this was basically customization. Also we have a budget friendly package page wherein we have created many budget friendly packages. People can directly go there, select the package and book it. Okay, so like let's roll to the budget friendly package. This is budget friendly package page where we have so many packages. As you can see, we have included everything like accommodation inclusive. We have given landmarks also. Every detail have been given to the user. And then we have a pay now option on the right side where people will go and fill in the details which have been asked, majorly the payment details. Okay, and now we have a best places page wherein we have placed so many best places of India Also, we have highlighted top attractions in that place, like here you can see top attractions of Agra, things to do in Agra. These are the simple, so this will let people decide what places they want to visit if they are confused a little bit. Okay, so you can clearly see the beautiful layout of this page. Okay, now let's head towards our home page again. Okay, now we have covered most of the pages of our website. Let's talk about the About Us page, which we have also given. So About Us page contains information about us, the founders and the developers. So if somebody wants to get in touch with us, then they can simply click on the Get in Touch button, and they will be given a form here, like wherein they can fill in their details, and we will contact them as soon as possible. And then afterwards we will contact them as soon as possible. Let's scroll down to the bottom. We see in the bottom we have different footers, terms of use, privacy policy and everything. These are also essential part of the website, so we have included all of these: terms of use, privacy policy, contact us form, and then copyright. Okay, so you can see simply. So friends, this was our web development project on a travel website, Apna Safar.